Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here for this event. I want to thank especially Judge John Russo, who has been really a tremendous leader on this criminal justice work that we've all been engaged in. And he'll be the co-chair of our new Criminal Justice Commission?
Council.
Council. Criminal Justice Council. I get my C's mixed up. And I want to introduce the people behind me who are all signatories or representatives of the signatories to the Executive Committee of the Criminal Justice Council. So we have Judge Kristen Sweeney, the Administrative Judge of Juvenile Court. We have Judge Michelle Early, Administrative and Presiding Judge of the Cleveland Municipal Court. Judge K.J. Montgomery, she's representing the Northern Ohio Municipal Judges Association. We have Diane Russell, Co-Chief of the Criminal Division for the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor's Office for Michael O'Malley. We have Mark Stanton, County Public Defender. We have Michael McGrath, City of Cleveland's Director of Public Safety. We have Barbara Langhenry, the Law Director and Prosecuting Attorney for the City of Cleveland. Lorraine Coyne for the Northeast Ohio Municipal Prosecutors Association. And we have Kelly Stillman, President of the Police Chiefs. And we have Robert Botnick, Cuyahoga County Defense Association Lawyers Association representative. Have I missed anybody who's standing up here? Okay, great. So one of the county's priorities has been and continues to be equal justice for all in Cuyahoga County. This council gives us a crucial platform to accomplish this goal. It's a collaborative group, and I want to emphasize collaborative, where all the stakeholders can come together to address criminal justice challenges that we face. While we're announcing the formation of this council today, in fact, all of the people you see here have been already actively involved, working collaboratively on many of the issues that I suspect the council will take up. For example, we've all been actively engaged in discussions about bail reform. We've been participating in the Stepping Up initiative to reduce the number of people with mental illness in our jails. And we've been tackling the very difficult issues involved in the opioid crisis. These are just some of the issues that this council will be well positioned to work on and to seek solutions. This council is not intended to be a debate society or an academic exercise, though I suspect that there will be a lot of debating and that some members will be exercised. But we are all coming into this with the same goal in mind, which is to find solutions to improve the lives of our residents. So I'd now like to turn this over to Judge John Russo, who, as I said, has really been a great leader of this effort.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
So just a brief comment, so thank you for coming this morning. I would just say this, I'll use the word rewarding. It's been a really rewarding process to where we stand here today with this announcement. What I mean by that is rewarding from the Common Pleas judges. For all of us, the Common Pleas judges, at the time that we decided to take a step back from the justice system reform format, we continue to dialogue on what would be best for Cuyahoga County. So it's been rewarding to have all the Common Pleas judges have an opportunity to dialogue about how we're going to move forward, which is then the formation of the Criminal Justice Council. It's been rewarding because I've had an opportunity on 4 separate meetings to bring all the Cuyahoga County judges, including the municipal court judges, into a meeting to discuss the Criminal Justice Council and how we as a county wanted to move forward with discussions regarding the criminal justice system in Cuyahoga County. So it's been great for me to have the dialogue of all the judges of Cuyahoga County in helping the formation of this council. And then it's been rewarding for those who are standing behind me for an opportunity to put together the draft and the memorandum that we all signed with the understanding that all of us want to collaborate on moving forward with issues as have been outlined by the county executive, but issues that will come forward throughout Cuyahoga County and that we can continue to move forward as stakeholders in a collaborative way with this Criminal Justice Council. So I'd like to thank all who are here today and those who are behind me as we take our next step forward in looking at how do we address the issues in Cuyahoga County. So again, thank you for being here this morning. I'm going to introduce and ask Judge Michelle Early, the administrative judge, presiding judge of the municipal court here in Cleveland, to also say a few words as well. So Judge Michelle Early, thank you.
Good morning. I am Michelle Early, administrative and presiding judge of the Cleveland Municipal Court. On behalf of our court, I would like to thank Judge John Russo and County Exec Armand Budish for taking the lead in bringing this council together. Cleveland Municipal Court supports the formation of the Cuyahoga County Criminal Justice Council and the diversity of the stakeholders and perspectives that it brings together. While the overall goals of the stakeholders gathered are the same, our ideals regarding how to best achieve those goals may be different because of our position or placement in the criminal justice system. This council provides us with an opportunity to view the justice system from many different sides and to collaborate to create system improvements that further the interests of the group, which is the advancement of justice, fairness, and public safety. Cleveland Municipal Court believes that it is important that we are represented in the newly formed council, and we are looking forward to participating. Thank you. Now I'm going to introduce one of my colleagues, Judge K.J. Montgomery, who is a representative of the Northern Ohio Municipal Judges Association.
And good morning. As the Shaker Judge for 25 years, I have the honor of representing the Northern Ohio Municipal Judges Association. And as you all know, we have 13 municipal courts and multiple judges in many of those courts. I think what we are looking forward to is the ability to have a pipeline, an actual seat at the table where we can be heard with our concerns and we can also receive education and advice on issues that have come before others. The fact that this is collaborative, the fact that we have so many important players at the table give us out in the suburbs, for example, an opportunity to have our particular issues as we deal with our particular constituencies well addressed. And I don't think you can find anywhere a more earnest, hardworking, and willing to learn group of judges than we have in our municipal courts. So we are honored to be on this executive committee.
Anybody else want to jump up? Well, I would want to thank, again, everybody for participating. I should also note that the folks sitting on my left over here have played a really important role. I could call each one out and thank them individually, which I won't do, but I do want to thank them all for the great work that they've done to help put this together. With that, we are concluded, and we'll stick around if anybody has any questions. Thank you all very much.